Y'all gonna start off?
We want to start this PSA for all these hoes from the bros to let y'all bitches know.
Oh, that
Your ass ugly.
Alright, so today we get on y'all hoes that think y'all could just say whatever, do whatever, and think that shit okay. Run your mouth, homie hopping. Y'all know what y'all hoes be doing, and then y'all get mad at us when we move on to another bitch.
It's not even that. Y'all get mad when we be real. Y'all always talking about some, man, niggas ain't shit because y'all never keep it 100.
But when we do keep it 100, y'all want to get mad. Like, oh, for instance, I just want to fuck. I don't want nothing else.
But when you do that shit, it's okay though. It's okay.
Why
when
he's
y'all
so
say that
clingy?
shit.
He texting. He's so thirsty. I'm tired of these thirst bucket ass niggas.
But when you do it, it's okay.
Right.
One thing I don't like is how. What y'all want me to start off with, Jay? I just hate a female to get in a nigga face like she a nigga and expect for him not to do nothing.
And then when you are clingy, and then we tell you what the fuck is going on, you get mad and start trying to blame others. No, motherfucker, it's you.
You should be happy a nigga even said something before even just cutting your ass loose.
And it's like, it's not even like, you like, bitch, you clingy, get out my face. It's like, yeah, I don't like how we not even together, but you text me so much, you call me so much. We just let you know. You know what I'm saying? We don't even do it the rude way. But it's like, y'all don't listen to that. Y'all don't respond to it. Oh, well, at least he was polite with it. No, y'all just get mad at the fact we told you the truth. Is the truth a bad thing or a good thing?
That's crazy.
Right. And I got another thing for these hoes. Don't be talking a shit about me to everybody, because you don't know who the fuck I know. Word gets back to me. I know every fucking body. So if you got something to say, it's best for you to just come to me with that shit. Like, I'm just saying.
And plus that whole talking behind back shit, like, we fucking 19 years old.
Just say the shit to my face. If you got something to say,
you got something to say it. Like, I'm a man, you know what I'm saying? You should treat me as such, you know what I'm saying? Just be real, like, because you're a woman, and I'll treat you as such. You know, you ain't got to be a goofy with it, just be honest. Let me know what's going on with you, and I'll be fine.
One more thing, bro hopping. We really don't care. We niggas. Don't fuck with me, my man. Don't talk to him. Fuck all that. I don't want your ass.
And don't do that shit in spite either. Don't do it to spite me. Like, that is stupid.
Another thing with bro hopping. Y'all do that shit a lot. But if we talk to you and go to one of y'all friends, y'all be trying to fuck shit up. Y'all know y'all do. Y'all hoes is reckless. Real reckless. We peep game. All that bullshit y'all be doing, we know what y'all be doing.
Yeah, y'all think we stupid, but we really not. We fucking you up most of the
y'all hoes is dirty. Like, not to be on no evil shit, but I done known bitches that was getting fucked and they boyfriend downstairs trying to call them. Yeah, y'all dirty as hell. I know how you hoes roll, boy. Y'all trifling. All you hoes is nasty.
It be like that.
Don't get in my bed, spend the night, and now expect for me to try and fuck. Talking about I don't want to fuck. And if you're on your period, your mouth ain't bleeding.
True though. Another thing I hate, you send a nigga hella text messages. Ooh, I'ma have you doing this and doing that. But your ass get in that room and be quiet as hell though.
Yeah, ho.
What happened to them text messages? You could deep throw the nigga, but you don't know how to do it. You not really good with it. Then don't be talking all that shit when you texting a nigga.
Whatever, bitch.
Right, we don't got time for that. And this whole, I don't know what be going on with this whole torn between the two. Bitch, if you was talking to one nigga, why the fuck you talking to another one then?
Like, make a fucking choice. If you don't want to talk to the you social, just tell them. Don't keep both of them. What type of shit is that?
Because why you got me wasting my time, I could have been chasing another bitch. To be honest. And I hate hoes that call you up, be wanting to kick it with you, then they get a call from their boyfriend, or their boyfriend come around, they just be, I don't know that nigga. I don't know that nigga. Who is that? Oh, we just cool. But you call my phone every day though.
Text him every day too?
When that nigga ain't around.
Tweet, mention them.
When that nigga ain't around, who you texting? Me. Who you texting? Y'all hoes reckless. But that's why we cold on these hoes. David Ruffin.
Another thing. If you tell me something, don't expect me not to tell people in my circle. If it's something like dire need, like a STD, for instance, I'm not
That's
gonna
just saying, just random,
saying,
an STD.
I'm not gonna keep it to myself. Well, if they want to try and fuck you, I ain't gonna let them get burnt.
True, and that's just how you gotta be.
Another thing, you hoes is real slick. It's funny how y'all don't ever want to kick it with no niggas, but when we say we got weed and liquor, y'all be quick to bring y'all asses over here. That's real funny, G. Like, you hoes is just reckless. Damn, it takes some liquor for you to get your ass to come over here? That's real crazy. Real crazy. And I hate hoes who come to my house and be like, hey, we gonna fuck, and then ask me if I got some condoms. Don't be mad at me if I ain't got none. Bitch, you can hold some too in your purse.
You want to come fuck.
Right, you come prepared. I'm chilling. And don't sit there and run your mouth like you gonna give me some ass and then come up with 100 excuses talking about I can't do this. Not happening. I'm gonna send you packing with your shit.
Yeah.
If you bout it, be bout it. If you not bout it, don't be bout it. Don't talk about some, yeah, like I like you and I want something from you, and this, but I text you like, okay, are you busy tomorrow? Yeah. What about next weekend? Okay. Now don't let me go this whole next week, hit you up, then you talking about some, nah, I can't even do it. I just don't think it's right. Yeah, bitch, what's the difference between now and 7 days ago?
And if we ask you a fucking question, just answer the fucking question. Don't extend the question, be all difficult with the shit. Just answer the fucking question we asked you.
Because if we do that shit, y'all be pissed off. And it's another thing that's been going around. This whole, y'all think we got hole syndrome? I don't know if all the bitches is
hoes, I got hoes. If I don't, I don't. If I tell you I don't, I ain't got no fucking hoes.
That's nothing to lie about. Not having hoes is nothing to lie about. Having hoes, okay, I'll lie about it. Yeah, I got tons of hoes. Oh, shit.
I don't have no hoes, right? I hate when females be like, I can't talk to you. You probably got hella hoes. What the fuck you mean I got hella hoes? If I had hella hoes, I wouldn't be trying to talk to your goof ass. I'd be on the phone trying to get with them.
I'm about to get to.
Yeah, y'all be tweaking. Just be assuming. Stop assuming. Asking hella questions.
Asking all them questions.
Asking all them questions. Making statements.
Assuming.
What is wrong with y'all hoes? Y'all really
stop assuming shit. If you want to fucking answer, just fucking ask us.
Just ask.
We'll tell you the truth. Don't get mad when we do.
And a message to these niggas too. I'm tired of you grimy ass niggas fucking up all the shit for the good niggas with the fine females. Cause now the fine females be like, oh, fuck these niggas.
They didn't say that. We're just going gay.
Right, and I'm tired of seeing fine ass women going gay. G.
Right, all cuffed up with some girl that's like 5'5", 130 pounds, stepping up big to me. Right, stepping up big to me because I'm talking to a woman. Like, you can dress how you want to, but I can still see the bitch in you. You still a female. Like, get out my fucking face.
I don't have no problem with y'all being gay, lesbian, any of that shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm cool with that. The only thing that I ask is don't step to no nigga, you know I'm trying to be macho man, because deep down you still are a female. And don't get mad when you know what I'm saying, pump your chest out and we push your shit back in. Because we do punch bitches. Like, we team punch bitches. Like, don't do it. Like, you not finna slap me, be punching me, all that shit, and think you just about to get away with it. You hit me, I'ma hit your ass back.
Like my mama told me when I was growing up, if they hit you, hit them back, female or male.
Right.
My mom told me not to hit females, but these females be jumping out their body too.
Smacking bottles and shit.
I just ask that y'all don't forget that y'all don't have a dick. Like yesterday, I text my friend. Her girlfriend texts me back, don't text this phone no more. Bitch, I done known this hoe for years. Fuck is you talking about? Don't text her back. Trying to get amped with me. You don't know who I am. I just suggest y'all chill that shit out.
Alright, bitch.
Anything else?
I ain't got shit else to say. I'm just saying, my last message to all you females, y'all pretty females who looking for a dude, don't assume, you know what I'm saying? Get to know the nigga first before y'all get to making decisions and shit. Cause you don't never know, that could have been a nigga for you, and you being a bitch, and then go fuck with a nigga that ain't about nothing.
But look, just bottom line, just like if you feel like you don't trust the dude, then move on. But if you feel like, you know what I'm saying, alright, you know, that's nothing to lie about, you know, he probably being honest, you know, go with that guy. You know what I'm saying?
One more thing. Shit just popped into my mind. My bad. All you bitches, well, I ain't gonna call y'all bitches. All you nice young females that are getting out of a relationship, cut the whole man hating shit. That shit is really getting on my
Hate
motherfucking
that
nerves.
man, not
Hate that
all
nigga,
men.
not all of
All
them.
not the same.
Don't blame all us for that shit your nigga was doing, cause every nigga don't do that. And that's all I got to say.
This has been a PSA by the bros.
PSA,
Q.
bitch.
Smiley.
And I'm too freaky, ho.
Flips.
Pussy over there, his ass in the corner chilling.
He ain't got a lot of experience with females.
Have a nice day. Shout out to the rest of the bros that couldn't be here.
Oh,
They'll be here back part 2.
My nigga Tank
We will be
here.
back. But to those motherfuckers that don't like us, fuck you.
Right.
We don't
We
care.
don't plug.
And we gonna be
Fuck
burning hell.
everybody.
We don't care. We got our own crew. We don't need y'all. So,
Ah.
alright.
That's it.